We're here today because the funders have come together, public and private funders, both philanthropic community, corporate funders, state, city, federal have gotten together and done another public-private partnership to provide social impact through social enterprises. Let me say that again, to provide social impact through social enterprises. That's really important. Social enterprises, the focus there is to take individuals who may have had challenges of disability, challenges of poverty, or incarceration, and provide them the opportunity to work. The perfect social enterprise happens when two things occur. The first is that public-private partnership that provides seed money and subsidy to allow that to happen. But the other part is when anchor institutions like Hopkins, Annie E. Casey Foundation, Maryland Institute College of Art, Exelon, provide large contracts with the social enterprise in order to create jobs in the community. Both of those things have to count. Those are best practices nationally. Like it or not, fair or unfair, we are all defined by what we do. When you meet someone, they say, "What do you do?" If you're retired, they say, "What did you do?" There's no question that people sitting around here can say, we provided social impact through job creation. But more importantly than that, the people that will flow through this building will be able to go back to their community and say, I am the breadwinner of my family. Thank all of you for all your funding and all your support.